ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪಾಪ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋನು ನಾನು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದ? ಯಾರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಯಾರಿಗೇನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳಿ.
Now there's an ongoing political slugfest between the Congress in Karnataka as well as the opposition, the BJP. The Congress has maintained that there's no dissent within the party ranks and that the opposition is trying to create unnecessary pressure and controversy. The BJP, however, feels otherwise. Let's listen into reactions from both the Congress as well as the Bharatiya Janata Party.
I don't think there is any discussion on that matter. However, I don't want to discuss or make my reaction on that issue, because already our High Command has advised not to raise such issues. I don't want to make any comment on that.
ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಜಟಾಪಟಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರದೇ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರಿಮಂಡಲ ರಚನೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ, ಯಾರು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಯಾರಿಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ವಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಂತರಿಕ ವಿಷಯ. ಸಿಎಂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೆಹಲಿಯ ವರಿಷ್ಠರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ತಕರಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
कांग्रेस बढ़ चुका है सीएम और डिप्टी सीएम के बीच में, उसका ही नतीजा है कि 3 चाहिए 4 चाहिए। कांग्रेस को भी डेमोक्रेसी से मतलब नहीं है और काम करने से मतलब नहीं है, सिर्फ पावर हंग्री है। और सीएम डिप्टी सीएम बनना चाहता है, सीएम अपनी कुर्सी बचाना चाहता है, उसका संघर्ष का ही नतीजा है 3-4 डिप्टी बन रहे हैं। इट इज दी अगेंस्ट विल ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ कर्नाटक।
Since the day it has assumed the power, there is always a fight for power, fight for position. MLA wants to become minister, minister wants to become deputy CM wants to become CM. So they want all rotation for monthly basis CM, yearly basis CM, 1 deputy CM, 5 deputy CM, 10 deputy CM. Somebody says, oh, make all the ministers as deputy CM. So all the designation can be seen and enjoyed by the MLAs. They are not worried about the people of Karnataka.
Now, the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar's brother and the former Congress Member of Parliament from Bengaluru Rural, Mr. D.K. Suresh, made an interesting remark on this ongoing debate. Mr. Suresh went a step ahead and said that the party can decide and actually create 5 Deputy Chief Ministerial positions.
ಪಕ್ಷ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ 5 ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ. 8 ಬಾರಿ ಗೆದ್ದಂತ ರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಪಕ್ಷಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಸತೀಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಖಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Well, let me go back once again to Deepak Bopanna. Deepak, what's happening within the Karnataka Congress? Is this, as is being alleged by the Bharatiya Janata Party, that this is some kind of a part tussle involving the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister?
Well, definitely there is a thirst of power that we see time and again among politicians, and in Karnataka we've seen that come to the fore a lot of times, haven't we, Siddharth? And now it looks like many of them are going out there looking to stake claim for the Deputy Chief Minister's position. They feel that the Lok Sabha elections are over. This sort of a cry came in even before the elections, but somewhere it was subdued, saying that the elections are around the corner and it wouldn't be right to actually go ahead and make these sort of demands at this point in time. Now they're citing backing of communities. They're saying that, in certain regions there is a need for somebody to be well represented in the cabinet, and they feel the deputy chief minister's post is something that is apt for them. And we've seen some of them openly express that opinion. As far as some of the others are concerned, they feel that this is unnecessarily being raised, and they're saying that it's left to the High Command to decide. But it's, of course, a very precarious situation for the High Command, which made, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar the only deputy chief minister, while also, of course, he had the perks of being the KPCC president. Somewhere, satiating the differences between the Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar, because both of them wanted to become the chief minister. But now, with many of them in the run or wanting to become deputy chief ministers, how is the High Command going to, really handle this remains to be seen.
All right, many thanks for that. Will the High Command